Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 3. Yeah, day 3 of World Watercolor Month. World Watercolor Month. Words are hard. It's morning. I'm still, getting caffeinated. I did sketch out this. The prompt was raspberry, and I didn't really want to paint a raspberry, so I found this cute little raspberry chest colored bird that we're gonna do. That's what I want to do. So that's what we're gonna do today for this prompt. And prompts are for, I'm just gonna go right in. I have out my granulating palette and my, as the last 2 videos, my Kuretake Gansai Tambi watercolors. I know they're not watercolors per se, but that's how I use them, so that's what we're going to call them. Go ahead and spritz them to get them rolling here. There we go. And then, I just splattered on here. Alright, we can splatter later. I'm going to go ahead and just wet my bird, just my bird. I love to paint and draw birds, so this was just another excuse for me to be able to do that. There we go, and I'm working in my little handmade paint book that I made myself. I'm dipping my toes into making my own sketchbooks. I may sell them later, I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but I did have a lot of fun making it. We're going to go in with a little bit of rose madder. And I don't really have a mixing tray. Let's spritz this real quick. Wipe it out. There we go. Let's go rose madder. Well, that's a nice raspberry color, yeah, alright. And artist prerogative, you can paint your painting any way you want. I'm painting my little bird with the reference photos that I have of this bird, this breed. He looks very raspberry chest colored to me. That's why I'm painting him, because I want to. And then he has a little, I'm going to use the gray mixed in with this. I have my granulating black mixed in here from yesterday's painting. Grab some granulating black and put that in here and see what happens on our bird if it granulates a bit. Come in and just plop in. Okay. Go ahead and get some little wispies. That. Some gray on the bottom of that beak, just a little bit under here. Go right over that eye for now. That tail in. Oops. I'm already loving this, okay. A little bit of gray in here. A little bit of shadowing happening. right through here. And his little wing back here is kind of brown black. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in some of my sparkly Bronzite Genuine. It has a bit of a glitter to it. Because I think it's pretty. I'm gonna put some of that on his beak as well. Take my brush. This little beak plopped in. Like that. Maybe we can use this. The coffee maker's decided it's done. It's alright, I'm on my last cup for the day anyways. I'll go ahead and plop in our little feet. And then maybe this is again my granulating color plus that I just want this to kind of fade out at the bottom. My granulating brown, just plop that in. Let it kind of do what it wants to do. Come in here and pull out our little feet again, like that. And then I'm not liking how, let's see, grab a little bit of white, mix it in with this pink, and come in down here. That's a little too much. There we go. He's coming along. I'm liking, oh, excuse me. I'm liking him. Do want to come in here with some more. Actually, I'd like to put a little bit of blue in with this gray. Kind of make it a milky blue-gray color. Maybe a little bit of dry brush effect here and there. Like that. Give him a little form. A little bit of form. Just the tip of the brush. just thought he was super cute. Lawnmower, sorry, the window is open because it happens to be nice out at the moment. It is going up to 90 outside today, so I'm going to need to turn on the AC because it will go up to, do I have a black in here? I do. I don't know if I like this black, but we're going to use it to pop in his eye gently. And when you leave a shine, leave it in an imperfect shape. It looks more realistic that way. And up here we can get in some of this little bit of dark tuft of hairs poking out. Right there. That little bit of dark at the base of his beak. Kind of comes around like that. Little bits of sparkle around that eye. That. Maybe a few. Just little teensy, itsy bitsy marks. Like that. Give him some shape. Then he's got a little bit of wing poking out over here as well. Oh, oops. I'll just pick it up. What color did I use? Rose Madder. I'll drop in a little Rose Madder and give some little indications of feathers. And I did want to keep these World Watercolor Month videos pretty short. Under 30 minutes each. So let's not get too carried away. Because I could get lost in details on the bird. That'd be bad right now, right? Maybe give him a little something of interest to look at up here. Some little berries of some sort. And then maybe a little bit of splatter and ooh, just a bit of spritz. Uh-oh. See, so when uh-oh happens, just blot. See? No big deal. No big deal. A little bit of red in that background. Indication of other berries. Maybe some leaves. Oh, cute. Okay. We'll let that dry a little bit. Do I want to do anything else to him? I think he's kind of cute. I do need to refine that beak a little bit. But I'm not feeling the watercolor. Let's go in with a touch of colored pencil to adjust that little beak a little bit. Maybe this little bit of yellow. Yeah, that works. Come down here. Put it on his little tootsie toes. His cute little tootsie toes. Like that. And then, are you dark? You're a dark enough color. And go ahead and get in some little bit of shadows on his tootsie toes. And those dark little talons that he has, right? Like that. Get in a little bit of dark right here. Plop this back in. Like that. Cute. And then that's too dark. Maybe some of this. It's kind of a light gray color. That's digging in too far. Digging in too hard. Lighten up the top of his head a little bit. The paper's too wet for that business. Okay. So that's it for colored pencils. I got something in my glasses. There we go. Okay. Maybe just the teensiest touch. Of black there. And there. There. Is he cute? I think he's cute. Ooh, geez, nice. A little bit of pure color there. Okay. I think he might be done. I did want this little spot down here to be more white though. Grab some nice little bit of white right there. And then Pop it right there. And I lost some of his shine on his eye. Filled in on me. Just plop that in. There's cute little feathers right there, kind of glowing. I'm using the palette knife to just move paint around and scratch it a little bit here and there. Just to create a little bit of interest. Creates interesting textures. It's a different kind of tool than I'm used to using. So, yeah, fun, right? And that's it. That's it. We're going to take our tape off. And there is our cute little bird practice for today. For our raspberry. And I'm just using a pencil to note day 3 raspberry. There we go. That's it. That is all we did. I dig it. I think he's cute. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if you're participating in World Watercolor Month. I'd love to see what you're doing. Don't forget to hashtag the World Watercolor Month hashtag with all of your bits that you do. And you don't have to do every day. You can just do one a week. Or one large piece for the month. Or, you know, whatever you want. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and probably do another watercolor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!